For the vocabulary in list lesson 8.5, we just have 3 signs to learn. So I'll show you those signs, and then we're going to sort of look at how you use, since they're ways to negate things, we're going to kind of add those to the other ways that we know to negate things. All right, so the first sign here in lesson 8.5 is kind of referred to as wave no. It's not just no, or you can do it with one hand too. This is different from just plain no because you're using this to sort of warn or advise against. You can no, 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 don't do that. You can also use it to correct information. Hey, she's from New York. Oh, no, 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 I'm from Colorado, right? So that's the first one, wave no. One-handed or two-handed. The next one is prohibit, which means not allow. It also is the sign for illegal. So in some instances of using this sign, something might actually be illegal, or it might just be not allowed. You can't, smoke in an airplane, for example, right? So on your non-dominant hand, you want your palm facing, your non-dominant hand have a flat hand shape, your palm faces sideways, and then your dominant hand is going to have an L hand shape, and then you just hit, like palms facing together, right? Hit it with your dominant hand. Illegal, prohibited, not allowed. Can't do it. All right. The last sign on this list is refuse. So you want a thumbs up hand shape, only you're going to point your thumb behind you and then move it behind you. That's refuse. It means won't also, but in a stronger way. You wouldn't say I won't be there tomorrow unless you're actually like on moral grounds refusing to be there tomorrow. This is a refusal. Okay, so those are the 3: wave no, prohibit or not allow, and then refuse. So I want to review these negations, these new ways of negating things with some of the ones we already know so that we can kind of keep them separate. So let me pull that up. Okay, so the first one that we learned was like not. The definition of using this sign would be expressing negation or denial, can be kind of a refusal. Yeah, I'm not gonna go. This one is stronger though for refusing, but anyway, so this is not. Then we had zero or none, right? That is to lack something. It's not present. It doesn't exist. We don't have it. Then there's the one we just did. No, 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 no. It is kind of more of a gesture, but it is to warn or advise against doing something. And then, like I said, also it's used to correct information. Oh, no, no, that's not how it is. Number 4 is not yet. So that's signed this way. No, that's not yet completed or accomplished. Number 5 is, let's see. Oh, that one's don't want. Don't want. So have no desire to, have no interest in doing something, don't want. The number 6 is that prohibit that we just talked about, to forbid something, to not allow something. And then number 7 is the one that we ended there with refuse, not willing to. You'll notice the little arrows in the guy's forehead everywhere. With each one of these signs, you need to make sure that you shake your head no. All right, so that is, what is that? 8.5, I think, in signing naturally.